Looking for a Power Electric Hoists? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 Power Electric Hoists available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Power Electric Hoists for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Nutri 3-in-1 Electric Hoist Winch 1,100 pounds wireless remote control. The electric winch can lift up to 1,100 pounds and the lifting speed is 16 feet min. We offer an additional lifting strap and fixing bracket to help users fix hoist and lifted items. Rated volt. 110-120V, 60Hz plug. American Standard plug, max lifting height. 25 feet. There are 3 control methods for this electric hoist. The first is manual control, which is convenient to operate beside the machine. The second is the newly upgraded black momentary rocker switch wired remote control, which can be controlled from a distance, is more durable and sensitive than the old pendant control. The third is the wireless remote control, which can be used within a 200 feet range and can match multiple remote controllers at the same time. A 1500W universal motor is used for this electric hoist, which is characterized by small size and high power. This is why this 20 pounds electric hoist can lift 1,100 pounds quickly. But at the same time, inevitably, its sound will be a little louder and occasionally sparks. This is normal. Our technicians have upgraded its cooling system to reduce this situation. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the Strongway Electric Cable Hoist. This Strongway Electric Cable Hoist is a rugged, efficient 120V 60Hz hoist that makes lifting easy. It lifts loads up to 38 feet at speeds up to 33 fpm with a single line, or 19 feet with speeds up to 16.5 fpm with a double line. The cable drum cover and spring shock function keep things safe. The 2 HP motor leads to longer 10-minute duty cycles at 25%. The outer pulley hook hanger provides a convenient, easy-access 360-degree swivel hook that allows you to attach and remove loads easily from any angle. A heavy-duty 3-button control allows easy operation. Includes 40 ft.lx 0.22 inches diameter cable. At number 3 on our list. We have the Partsum 440 pounds automatic lift electric cable hoist. This light-duty electric cable hoist will lift up to 39 feet in the air, allowing you to quickly and safely lift any load without problem. High-strength carbon steel line cable. Maximum load capacity up to 440 pounds 200 kg. One-line load 220 pounds 100 kg and double line load 440 pounds 200 kg. Max lift height of 38 feet of single line, 19 feet of double line. With easy operate remote control panel, fully automatic hoist, requires no hand cranking. Item features automatic brake function with built-in safety braking mechanism and thermal protection device to ensure safety and will allow easy handling of the load in any position. High-quality Cooper motor provides strong power with relative low electricity consumption. With this wireless control, you can operate a hoist to lift, position, and lower the load with one person. For years, the standard hoists went out with pendant controls, but not anymore. The main advantage of using a wireless remote control for your cable hoist is that it eliminates the dependence on being tethered to the hoist itself. This 110V electric rope hoist features a compact and lightweight design and is ideal for intermittent load lifting. Simply assembled then ready to use. Compact construction, lightweight, easy operation, perfect for lifting small engines, transmissions, large shop tools, or building supplies in factories, warehouses and cargo berth. We truly offer 1-year warranty for every items in our shop. In addition, extra slings we offer just to help to make your job done easier. High speed and high efficiency give you better working experience. At number 4 on our list. We have the Strongway Electric Cable Hoist 750lb. This Strongway electric cable hoist is a rugged and efficient hoist that makes lifting easy. It can lift loads up to 38 feet at speeds of up to 33 fpm with a single line, or 19 feet at speeds of up to 16.5 fpm with a double line. The 1.8 HP motor leads to longer 10-minute duty cycles at 20%. The outer pulley hook hanger provides a convenient, easy-access 360-degree swivel hook that allows you to attach and remove loads easily from any angle. A heavy-duty 3-button control allows easy operation. The hoist also includes a 40 FT.LX 0.2 inches diameter cable. At number 5 on our list, we have the Shop Tough STF 5511 EH electric cable hoist. Shop Tough's electric hoist is a powerful and safe way to take care of all your lifting needs. With a 110-volt, 1/3/4 HP motor, it easily and safely lifts 550 pounds on a single line and 1100 pounds on a double line. The 5/32 cable length is 39 feet and the single line has a lift height of 36 feet, while the double line has a lift height of 18 feet. The hoist also features safety features such as the anti-twist cable, long cords, handheld control, brake, height limit switch, and the powerful, yet safe, motor. It also transports easily and weighs only 38 pounds. The hoist is also durable, reliable, and smooth working, making it perfect for all your lifting projects, from engines and tables to lawn mowers and small boats. The hoist also includes the handheld control with its 5-feet cord, as well as the mounting hardware for the universal mount and the snatch block for double-line pull. There is also a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. At number 6 on our list, we have the Bannon Compact Electric Cable Hoist. This Bannon Mini Wire Hoist is the perfect solution for a variety of lifting applications. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to install, and it can be operated on a standard domestic power supply. The 25-duty cycle performs tough jobs without excess stress on the motor, and the galvanized wire rope includes a 360 saddle hook. The unit also features both an upper and a lower limit switch for additional safety. When the rope touches the limit arm, pulling is automatically stopped. The sensing arm automatically stops the motor if rope is underwound, and the motor brakes are electromagnetic. The double ratchet pull design provides instant, safe stopping, and the 95 feet x 0.20 inches rope has a 1983-pound line pull. The 29.5 to 45.9 fpm line speed is perfect for a variety of applications, and the 22.9 feet power cord provides the perfect reach. At number 7 on our list, we have the Intbuying 110V electric hoist. The electric hoist is a versatile and convenient tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It has 3 control modes: manual, remote, and tool, and can lift up to 450 kilograms. The lifting speed is 16 feet min, and it is equipped with overload protection and a waterproof handle. The body is made of soft rubber which is easy to carry, and the steel wire rope is pressurized to prevent separation. The LED indicator shows when the hoist is in use and when it is safe to use. The electric hoist is a great tool for air conditioning installation, home decoration, factory warehouse, construction, and farm work. At number 8 on our list, we have the Ironton electric cable hoist. This Ironton electric hoist can be used to lift loads quickly and easily at the push of a button. This hoist is rated to lift 110 pounds up to 40 feet on a single line or 220 pounds up to 20 feet on a double line. The 0.75 HP motor delivers a quick lifting speed of 32 fpm. Includes a 40 FT.LX 1/8 inches diameter cable. This electric hoist is a great option for anyone who needs to lift loads regularly. The hoist is easy to use and can lift up to 220 pounds on a double line. The motor is powerful and delivers a quick lifting speed of 32 fpm. The included 40 FT.LX 1/8 inches diameter cable is also a great feature. At number 9 on our list, we have the Zarin electric hoist winch. Are you looking for an electric hoist that is both high quality and powerful? If so, the Zarin electric hoist winch is perfect for you. With a copper core motor, this hoist is able to lift heavy objects with ease while also dissipating heat quickly. Additionally, the Partsum electric hoist is made with a high carbon steel wire that is galvanized for a smooth finish and is resistant to corrosion. The metal case is also bright red and impact resistant for your safety. Finally, this hoist comes with a remote control for your convenience. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Ironton electric cable hoist -110 lb. The Super Lift Advantage hoist is a great way to quickly and easily lift loads at the push of a button. With a 0.3 HP, 120V motor, it can deliver a quick lifting speed of 16.5 feet per minute. The heavy-duty toggle switch control provides easy operation for a 10-minute duty cycle at 25%. Plus, it comes with a 40 FT.L x 110 inches diameter cable.